What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Delta Ventures. Okay, guys, a lot has changed since last time I made a video about Delta Ventures. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. As you can see right here, we can see that now we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 pools. Okay, but never mind these old pools, because these old pools, they are no longer accepting deposits. And once the TVL reached the maximum capacity of 500K, that means no more compounding or no more, no more compounding because deposits already shut. Okay, so people are still allowed to compound. Okay, but once the TVL reaches 500K, okay, that means no more compounding, right? And eventually, these pools, they will be over and we're only going to be rolling with USDT pool and also BNB pool. Okay, so let's go over to the pool number 2. So pool number 1, old pool number 1 has 4.5K, okay, as you can see right here, and total pool rewards $415. Okay, whereas the pool number 2, total investment 160K, and total pool rewards 22,900 USDT. Okay, so let's see how long will it take us to withdraw this money, okay, without paying the 50% tax. Okay, so I will have to wait literally 24 hours to be able to come over here and withdraw my rewards without paying any taxes. As you can see right here, my initial investment was $25, and right now, because I've been reinvesting right here, so reinvest $16, now I have 41.41. So tomorrow I can come over here and withdraw my 41.41, or if I decided to accumulate these rewards as well, okay, a bit more, without paying the 50% tax, but only gonna pay 10% tax. Okay, so what has changed? Okay, what has changed? So if you come over here to the doc, click over here, we'll take you to this page, and over here we can see the docs and how the new Delta Ventures works. Okay, so as for the old pools, important notice, these pools are no longer accepting new deposits. So you can only compound, okay, once the TVL is reached its limit, okay, no more compounding, okay? And those pools, like I said to you, like I showed you, they pay from 0.8% and 1.5% respectively. Pool 1 and pool number 2. The difference is every time you deposit, you'll pay a 10% tax, okay? And, you will have to wait 45 days to be able to come over here and withdraw your rewards or some of your capital without paying the 50% tax. With the new pools now, we have variable return pools. Okay, so we don't have a fixed APR, we don't have 0.8% or 1.5%, but it's based on the tradings. Okay, so if you come over here, okay, we can see how the project has been performing. Okay, so 2 days ago they made 1.59, one day ago 169, and today returned 170. Okay, so over here we can see the tradings history. So I don't know when they are going to post the trading reports, but eventually we're going to be able to see the trading reports. Okay, so in this one right here, you can either deposit USDT or BNB. I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. Okay, and the returns are generated through automatic futures trading bots and are announced on a daily basis for both. Okay, so regardless if you deposit USDT or BNB, will work the same. It's just different coins that you are staking. Okay, so rewards, you can only claim your rewards every 14 days. Okay, so you can only claim your rewards every 15 days. So the fees has changed as well. Instead of paying 10% tax, okay, you only pay a 2% tax on deposit fee and 20% performance fee. So this 20% doesn't come off your deposit, will come off from the rewards. Okay, so this 20% don't come off from your deposit, but comes off from your rewards. Okay, and deposits, we offer flexibility for investors, meaning we don't put locks on deposit. So let's say you come over here and you deposit USDT or BNB, okay, and tomorrow you decided to, okay, this is not for me, I'm out. You can do that. You can withdraw your BNB at any time. You come over here, hit withdraw, and boom, the money will go out. But, keep in mind that, for instance, sometimes, trades are open, they have open positions, so the funds are locked in those trades. Okay, so you might have to wait up to 7 days to get your money back. Okay, so keep that in mind, right? So the project has been KYC, or the owner has been KYC'd. We got all these two audits right there. Over here is where you can find the contracts, and they also have the insurance fund. Okay, over here we're gonna see the trading reports. Okay, oh, there you go. So today's the 17th. So we got the trading reports from last week right here. Okay. And lastly, they have a referral system. So you will earn 2% referral rewards from whoever deposit under your referral link. So how to get started with this project? Okay, so you come over here, you got two options, either USDT pool or BNB pool. Okay, make sure you are on the deposit side. Okay, for example, if you want to deposit USDT, come over here and click whatever the amount you want to deposit. You click deposit, or in this case, I only got 11 here. You click approve. So you first approve, you pay the MetaMask gas fee, okay, and then instead of approving, you're gonna see over here deposit. So you deposit, and boom, you are going to be in. You're gonna see your investment right here, and your rewards will be right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, the daily APR changes every day. So over here it shows you 1.7%, and over here we got 1.7%. We don't know how much is going to be tomorrow. Okay, so if you want to claim, all you got to do, come over here, flick it to withdraw. Okay, and you can claim. Obviously, I don't have anything to claim, so I'm not going to be able to claim anything. Okay, and same goes to BNB. So the difference is, wait, what's going on here? Let me connect my. As I was saying, the difference is you are depositing BNB instead of USDT. That's the only difference. But as everything else, it's the same. Okay, and you are going to receive your rewards in BNB also. Okay, over here is where you're gonna find your referral link. Okay, and you also have a calculator. Okay, so for example, you want to deposit 1,000 for, let's say, 1 week. Okay, and the average return, let's say, is going to be 166. So your total profit in 1 week is going to be 116 bucks. Okay, and if you want to see how much you're going to earn in a month, you can also see that. So in a month, you're going to make 50% of your investment. Okay, that's really cool, right? Cool. So yeah, guys, those are the updates in regards to Delta Ventures. But I would highly recommend you to come over here and fully read everything, so you make sure that you can understand what the project is about. Okay, the referral link is going to be in the description, so if you join under my referral link, I will appreciate. If not, it's okay anyway. I'm just here to share my crypto journey with y'all. So in regards to my pool, okay, what I will do is I will wait until this 1 day expires, and then I will withdraw, and then from there I will be moving my funds to this pool right here. Okay, and that's my game plan. So tomorrow I'll be moving my funds from the old pool number 2 to the USDT pool. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.